Certainly, here are some ideas for metalworking and the welding project, including metal furniture, welding ideas, and you can consider creating a stylish garden bench by welding together a metal frame and adding a comfortable wood and the metal seat. For some artistic craft intricate metal wall art piece by welding together various metal shapes and the patterns, which can be abstract or the representational. Alternatively, design a custom metal table with a unique base and the top. Experimenting with the different metal shape and the finishes. If you are looking to add a functional element to your home decor, consider making a welding bookshelf or a wine rack from metal. Outdoor furniture sets such as chairs, tables, and sofa can be created to enhance your patio and the garden space. Additionally, metal planters, lamps, coat rack, or the creative and the practical option to explore. Always prioritize safety and the proper welding technique while working on these projects, and consider the type of metal suitable to each application. Here are some detailed description of some the metalworking and the welding project, including metal furniture welding ideas. Imagine a sleek and the modern garden bench with a metal frame that not only sturdy but also an eye-catching addition to your outdoor space. Weld together the frame using square and the tubular metal section and incorporate artistic curves and the geometric pattern for a unique design. Top it off with a wooden or a metal seat that complement your garden aesthetic in a better way. If you have a passion for the art welding, consider crafting intricate metal wall art pieces. Use your welding skill from a captivating design such as nature-inspired motifs, abstract shapes, or even a personalized piece for your home and the gift to the other. Design a custom metal table that more than just a piece of furniture. It's a work of art. Experiment with various metal shapes and the finishes to create a centerpiece of your dining room or a dining space. You could go for a minimalist industrial look with the exposed weld and the optional for polished, seamless appearance with the hidden weldings. Weld a functional yet aesthetically pleasing wine rack. Choose a design that matches your decor, whether it's rustic, wall-mounted wine rack made from reclaimed metal, a sleek and the modern design, or even a wine rack that doubles as a piece of wall art. Sculpting with the metal provides endless creative possibilities. You can explore making abstract or the representational sculpture from elegant geometric form to intricate figure out pieces. These sculpture can be suitable for indoor and the outdoor displays. Elevate your outdoor living space with the complete metal furniture sets, crafted chairs, tables, and the sofas with the durability in mind. Welded metal furniture can withstand the element while providing a stylish, comfortable, and setting to your outdoor activities. For a functional and the decorative storage, create a welded metal art wall shelf. These shelves can serve as a focal point in your living room or the bedroom while showcasing your collection of book, plants, and the decorative items. Experiment with different shapes, sizes, and the arrangements to suit your style. A welded metal coat rack is a practical addition to your entryway, offering a stylish place to hang a coat hats, bags, and you can craft a minimalist and a modern design, or go for a more affordable and elaborate artistic coat rack that double as your wall. Design unique metal lamps and a lampshade that reflect your personal style. Your lamp range from industrial inspired design with export bulb to the elegant and the artistic piece. Welding allow you to customize the shape and the finishes to create a perfect lighting fixture. When talking to this project, we pay a close attention to our safety precautions, the choice of the welding techniques, and specific type of metal to use. Experiment, be creative, enjoy the process of bringing your metalworking and the metal ideas to the life while making functional and artistic piece for your home and gift to the others. Safety is a paramount in any metalworking and the welding project. Here are some important safety precautions for more metalworking adventures. First of all, use safety screen. If possible, set up a safety screen or the welding curtain to protect other injured venting from harmful radiation and the sparks. Keep as well a shocked first aid kit nearby in case of major injuries. Make sure you know how to administer basic first aid for common welding related injuries like burn and the cuts. If you are new to welding, consider taking a welding safety and the training courses. Proper training can equip with the knowledge and the skill needed to safety operate welding quickly and accurately. Welding can produce a loud noise that can damage your hearing. Over time, wearing hearing protection such as earplugs or the earmuffs or the safeguard your hearing. Keep your work area clean and organized. Clutter can lead to an accident, and the disorganized workspace can make it challenging to respond quickly in any case of an emergency. If you are new to welding, consider making a welding safety and the training courses. Proper training can equip with the knowledge and the skill needed to safety operate and be a prioritized safety in your metalworking and the welding project. You can create beautiful and the functional pieces while minimize the risk of accident and the health hazards. Always be vigilant, prepared, and informed to ensure the safety and the successful metal experience.
In a better way, then you are at the right place. In our today's video, I am going to show you some scrap metal do it by yourself project that will help you to upcycle your waste material in a better way. So thanks for being here, and do subscribe our YouTube channel for more video. Scrap metal do it by yourself project have gained popularity in recent years due to their affordability and the creativity. Using scrap metal, you can create a unique and the functional pieces of your home or a garden. Whether you are seasoned, do it by yourself enthusiasts, or beginner, there are plenty of scrap metal do it by yourself project that can undertake. In this video, we will explore some of the best scrap metal do-it-by-yourself project and how to create them. A scrap metal art is a great way to express your creativity and create unique pieces of your home. Using scrap metal, you can create sculptures, wall art, and other decorative pieces. To get started, collect a variety of scrap metal pieces and then use your imagination to create your art. Welding equipment will be necessary for this project. To make sure you have the necessary safety equipment and the training before you begin. A metal garden rails made from scrap metal is a great way to add some structure to your garden, and you can use a variety of scrap metal pieces to create a trails that fit your garden style. Start by creating frame for your trails using scrap metal pieces, then add additional pieces